Aha! Are you struggling to figure out when to use wa versus ga? I explain Japanese particles visually in under 10 minutes. Let's dive in.
Wow, this ramen looks delicious.
おいしそうなラーメンはある。おいしそうなラーメンがある。
Which one?
Time to eat. Yum. Delicious.
このラーメンはおいしい。このラーメンがおいしい。
Which one?
Today, we are going to study the Japanese particles wa and ga. The image of wa is something like this. It shines a spotlight only on the topic. For example, you eat an apple. You think, this is delicious. A woman arrives. You want to tell her it's delicious. Since the topic is, this apple, you say to her,
このリンゴはおいしい。
You can talk to yourself in the same way.
このリンゴは甘い。
When you see something and have a thought or feeling. You can attach wa to the word and express it like this.
このリンゴは大きい。このリンゴは赤い。このリンゴはどんな味？
If you eat ramen and it tastes good, you say,
このラーメンはおいしい。
wa shines a spotlight only on the topic. The use of wa isn't always limited to just one. Sometimes we use two in a situation like this. Ramen is delicious, but udon is not.
ラーメンはおいしいが、うどんはおいしくない。
I like apples, but I don't like bananas.
リンゴは好きだけど、バナナは嫌い。
We can even use three in a situation like this. When you are talking about a certain noodle restaurant and commenting the taste of its ramen and udon, you attach wa to the restaurant and say,
この店は、ラーメンはおいしいが、うどんはおいしくない。
If you are talking about your younger sister, you attach wa to Yumoto as well.
妹は、リンゴは好きだけど、バナナは嫌い。
Because wa only shines a light on the topic, it can also carry this meaning. You ask your friend.
来週は忙しい？
The friend replies.
水曜日は暇。
If the topic of the answer is smaller than that of the question, this implies that things outside the answer's topic are either unknown or different. You ask your friend.
スポーツは好き？
The friend replies.
サッカーは好き。
In this case, it likely means she doesn't like other sports, such as baseball. What if she reply?
サッカーが好き。
Now, let's study ga. The image of ga is something like this. So, when you hear
サッカーが
the image that comes to mind is something like this. So,
サッカーが好き
means so
このリンゴが
means
このリンゴが美味しい。
means ga is used when choosing, saying, not this one, not this one, this one.
彼女がチャンピオン。
彼がやりました。
Since you use ga to choose an answer, you also use ga for the question.
どれがいい？
これがいい。
何が欲しい？
これが欲しい。
誰が来た？友達が来た。何が入ってる？ケーキが入ってた。
Since ga has this image, when you find or discover something, use ga.
リンゴが落ちた。
雨が降ってきた。
ミラーさんがいる。
子供が走ってる。
窓が開いている。
美味しそうなラーメンがある。
Time for a quiz. Which one should you use, wa or ga? So there you have it. No more guessing. If this video finally made the difference for you, please smash that like button to let me know, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next grammar breakthrough. See you later.